boarding.
comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
15 degrees Celsius. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight crew Captain Bernal and First Officer Lamalmo, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Ladies and gentlemen, for your safety, please remain seated. Manatili po muna tayong nakaupo. We have just landed 35 minutes ahead of our scheduled time of arrival. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins that will be provided near the exits. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. Overhead bins. Hintayin po natin matagal ang ilaw ng seatbelt sign bago po tayo tumayo. Inaasahan po namin na inyong maayos na pagsunod.